Thank you to all 300K Be Forward supporters. In celebration of our 300K registrants milestone, we have prepared a special campaign for you. Share your post on Facebook and get a chance to win up to $1,000 rewards points. Only 3 steps to join this campaign. Step 1. Take some photos of you with Be Forward or Be Forward supporters goods or logo for a Facebook post. Step 2. Write on your post a comment or congratulatory message about Be Forward supporters celebrating its 300K registrants. Step 3. Add 3 hashtags to your post and post it on Facebook by September 3rd, 11:59 p.m. Japan time. On the BFSID hashtag, you have to write your BFSID number after the BFSID. If your BFSID is 12345, it will be like this. Hashtag BFSID 12345. Also, don't forget to set the audience to public so that we can find your post from our side. The 9 winners will be notified by email on September 8th. Reward points can be used as discounts when purchasing cars and auto parts on Be Forward's websites. Not registered as a Be Forward supporter yet? No worries. Anyone can register for free. Join the campaign now.